People so often get confused between PTSD and CPTSD. So PTSD is post-traumatic stress disorder and CPTSD is complex post-traumatic stress disorder. So what is the difference? Well, therapists, professionals, don't come at me. There's no way I can adequately explain the differences in such a short amount of time. I'm going to try to be helpful. So PTSD, it's all concerning an event that felt so overwhelming that it gets lodged, it gets kind of stuck, and it continues to affect you. You get triggered, we use that word a lot, but triggered emotionally and physically and mentally by certain things, kind of the stereotypical that is very true, where soldiers who've been in combat, where the July 4th festivities with the fireworks can be triggering. It can literally cause their body and their mind to go back in time to where they experienced that before. CPTSD has to do with what some people call little t. I don't call them that, but little t traumas. So not this big catastrophic event, these series of chronic experiences throughout their life of being traumatized, primarily around a relationship. So whether it's a caregiver, someone else in their life who is constantly causing them little traumas around whether or not they can count on other people to be there for them in order for their genuine survival, emotional, mental, physical. CPTSD can occur from ongoing child abuse, but not just physical or sexual. It can also be from neglect. Maybe not even not being present, but having a parent or a caregiver who's constantly reactive all the time. And so with CPTSD, there's also self-protection, just like PTSD, but it's from almost a relational perspective. Someone with CPTSD will constantly be scanning, whether they realize it or not, for danger. They have learned that in order to be okay, they have to constantly be aware of any slight changes in the behaviors of other people to detect if they might suddenly be hurt. Both people with PTSD and CPTSD have nervous systems that have a hard time settling or just being in the window of tolerance. Basically, how much can your body and mind handle without kind of freaking out? It's kind of the unscientific way of saying it. Yeah, so PTSD, single event trauma. Complex or chronic PTSD is series of events trauma.